Hello, my name is Professor Abdullah Abu Nama, Professor of Computing and Innovation at Abu Dhabi School of Management. I would like to speak to you about a workshop that we have designed, tailored specifically to managers. As you know, managers have realized the importance of big data, analytics, machine learning. However, they get lost in the technical landscape, the technical jargon, and it becomes very difficult for managers to find or discover how the big data, analytics, and machine learning can be used in a way in their business for a competitive advantage. So we've designed this course, or this workshop, if you will, in such a way that it is really geared towards the managers, so that you can actually understand machine learning, analytics, big data, and how you can leverage that from a business perspective. I would encourage you to look at this workshop, look at the outline, look at the learning outcomes, so to speak. We would love for you to join us by clicking on the link and enjoy this workshop. Thank you.